Welcome back, YouTubers, to another Dark Ascension pack opening. Because I've been so lax lately, I'm going to try to do as many as I can in 10 minutes. Okay, let's open packs. I can't open packs today. Bravo. Okay. Favor of the Wood. Torch Fiend. Artful Dodge. Grave Purge. Break of Day. Fires of Undeath. Chant of Skiffsang. Young Wolf. Dawn Treader Elk. Grave Killer Worm. Dire Graph Captain. Niblis of the Urn. And Feed the Pack. I believe it is a rare. Yes, I believe it's a rare. A token card, a tip card, and a loyal Cathar, which turns into a unhallowed Cathar. Okay, pack 2. Break of Day. Hunger of the Howl Pack. Stormbound Geist. Screeching Scab. Favor of the Woods. Falkenrath Torturer. Heavy Matek. Young Wolf. Evolving Wilds. That's definitely been reprinted a lot. Tracker's Instinct. Niblis of the Urn. Burning Oil. Rare. Increasing Confusion. Spirit Token. And Plains Forest. And a Chosen of Markov, which turns into a Markov's Servant. She's actually kind of cute. Okay, pack number 3. Okay, I guess we have a Moonscard Werewolf. Hunger of the Howl Pack. Nice. Stormbound Geist. Screeching Scab. Favor of the Woods. Bar the Door. Rack with Madness. Divination. Somberwalled Dryad. Heavy Matek. Talk. Curse of Thirst. Mystic Retrieval. Stormkirk Captain. Rare. Curse of Misfortunes. Cut card. Token. And a Scorned Villager. Moongrave Werewolf. Okay, pack number 4. Artful Dodge, Halloween Beast, Nephalia Seekite, Ray of Revelation, Clinging Mists, Highborn Ghoul, Talons of Falconwrath, Gather the Townsfolk, another Diregraph Captain, he's not, Wolf Hunter Quiver, Village Survivor, Seance, rare, Spirit Token, Chalice of Life, turns into a Chalice of Death, land, and a foil uncommon, Briar Pack Alpha. Ow! Okay, number 5. Probably get in one more pack of this. I'm lucky. Okay, Burden of Guilt, Faithless Looting, Clinging Mists, Executioner's Hood, Undying Evil, Griptide, Elgud Inquisitor, Kessig Recluse, Faith Shield, Lingering Souls, Farbog Boneflinger, rare Vault of the Archangel, Crap Token, a uncommon Soul Caesar, turns into Casting Haunting, another foil, Screeching Scab. Nice. Okay, one more pack, making it 6. Yep, one more pack. Alright. Money. Artful Dodge, Halloween Beast, Nephalia Seekite, Ray of Revelation, Clinging Mists, Hamatic, Young Wolf, Revolving Wilds, Griptide, Curse of Thirst, Curse of Exhaustion, Secrets of the Dead, and rare Grim Backwoods. Human token, and Hinterlands Hermit, which flips into Hinterlands Scourge. Okay, that's 6 packs. I believe after Dark Ascension, I'll be doing a booster box of Innistrad, because I have that now. That's pretty damn good. And hopefully we'll get to that soon. I also have Prophecy coming, and maybe if I'm lucky and good enough, Modern Masters 2015. See you soon.